Okay, so this is the case of 261920 versus People, penned by the bar chair, Justice Javier. Okay, so ang nangyari dito, si petitioner, he was charged with 2 counts of violation of Section 5I of RA 9262 for allegedly causing psychological and emotional anguish to his wife and minor child. So here, the trial court, the regional trial court or the RTC, convicted the petitioner in one case, ito yung criminal case number 13026, for ousting his wife and child from their conjugal home. Ito yung pinalayas niya. Pinalayas daw niya yung wife and child niya from their conjugal home, but acquitted him in the other case, ito yung criminal case number 13025, for insufficient evidence of deliberate denial of financial support. So the Court of Appeals affirmed the conviction sa case niya ng 13026 for ousting his wife and child from their conjugal home. So the Supreme Court reversed the lower court's decision and acquitted the petitioner, finding that the prosecution failed to establish all the elements of crime beyond reasonable doubt. So here, ano ba yung mapupulot natin na doctrine? To be sure, conviction for violation of Section 5I of RA 9262 may only be sustained when the following elements are established. The offended party is a woman or her children or child. The offended party is a woman and or her child or children. The woman is either the wife or the former wife of the offender, or is a woman with whom the offender has or had sexual or dating relationship, or is a woman with whom such offender has a common child. So as for the woman's child or children, they may be legitimate or illegitimate or living within or without the family abode. The offender causes on the woman and or the child mental or emotional anguish, and the anguish is caused through the acts of public ridicule or humiliation, repeated verbal and emotional abuse, denial of financial support, or custody of minor children, or access to the children, or similar acts or omissions. So here, being a crime of mala inse, there must be a concurrence of both actus reus and mens rea to constitute the crime. Pag sinabi nating actus reus, it pertains to the external or overt acts or omissions included in the crime's definition, while mens rea refers to the accused's guilty state of mind or criminal intent accompanying the actus reus. So here, in this case, in order for criminal liability to arise under Section 5I of RA 9262, insofar as it deals with denial of financial support, there must therefore be evidence on record that the accused willfully or consciously withheld financial support legally to the woman or for the purpose of inflicting mental or emotional anguish upon her. So in other words, the actus reus of the offense under Section 5I is the willful denial of financial support, while the mens rea or the mens rea is the intention to inflict mental or emotional anguish upon the woman. So both must thus exist and be proven in court before the person may be convicted of violating Section 5I of RA 9262.